How do you entice people to consider moving to a place that doesn't exist? For that matter, would probably never exist? This was the challenge put out to the nation's hottest architecture firms, as they were tasked by MoMA to envision new housing and transportation alternatives that could catalyze a new urban transformation. One of the 5 winning firms, WORKac, came to us. Their entry, Nature City, was a never-before-explored mix of dense and diverse infrastructure that's not only ecologically sound, but lives in harmony with restored native habitats. And like every entry in the exhibit, Nature City was required to fulfill 3 mandatories: a scaled architectural model, a written summary, and a video installation. Instead of using the video to do a typical architectural fly-through, we used the piece as a marketing opportunity for Nature City. Shoestring budget of $10,000, less than the typical architectural exhibit video. We created 5 distinct real estate ads. The campaign elevated the development from the hypothetical to the realm of the possible. In this one little corner of the hallowed museum, Nature City became a shovel-ready project, ready to be experienced instead of just admired.